I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Okay, y'all, I know it's always kind of loud in my house in the mornings. That's because I have my Roomba running and my shower. I need to get in the shower, but I want to talk to you people. Last time I weighed, it was 181. I rounded the nearest number. So I was 181, and so I had a binge last night, but we'll talk about that later. But I was 181. So I'm basically down to 180, so I'm down a pound. My binge last night was all the foods that I can eat, but it was, I had a whole bunch of yogurt, my non-fat Greek yogurt that I eat, and I had a bunch of cheese, and I've been adding to cheese lately. I need to get that off there. I need to stop eating the cheese. But yeah, it was a bunch of cheese and a bunch of yogurt. So I'm going to have to get my act together on that. But right now, like I said, I just want to get myself acclimated to eating just the foods that I know I need to eat. And then, we'll get back to weight and everything. But, not till I get used to eating just meat. Or, my new mostly meat. All right. I'll see you later. I got to get in the shower and get ready for church. So I ordered the thick cut pork steak, no sauce. They give me, my two sides are broccoli and coleslaw. I'll give the roll to my mama. And I take a couple bites of the veggies and then I will send them home. So this is my lunch today. Hello. Boy, isn't this the truth. Dogs are my favorite people. Yes. Yes, they are. All right. So let's talk about last night, and then I'll tell you about what I'm eating. No, I'm going to forget to tell you what I'm eating. So this is ground beef, some cheese, and then I wanted it kind of like, my brain went to stroganoff. Well, since I don't have sour cream, I use Greek yogurt for everything, but it's the non-fat Greek yogurt. Don't lecture me. I also have 15 grams of fat in here, straight up tallow. So I ain't afraid of fat. I just want it to be controlled fat. Anyway, I want to know how much I'm putting into it. So anyway, I took ground beef that I had crock potted a while ago, 180 grams of that, and then some Gruyères. I hear like something rumbling. Almost sounds like when my clothes washer is. I don't know. Anyway, so 180 grams of ground beef, about a half of a serving of the Greek yogurt, and probably 2 servings of the Gruyères, and some bacon pieces, and some Greek seasoning, and that is what this is. It looks like a beef. It's like a carnivore oatmeal. Yeah, buddy. Let's see what we think. Never did this, but we'll see. I need salt. I'll get in a minute. I was thinking something like stroganoff, So my brain went to hang on. That's why I was like, Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Church was really good. For those who wonder, I go to church Sundays, and my church is online. The link is always in the description of my videos. I go to the 10 o'clock service, so if you ever watch the 10 o'clock service, we're watching it at the same time. I had kids' church at 8:30, and our younger kids, I'm with kindergarten through 3rd grade, and they went over with the big kids today. So I don't know what they talked about because they had 3 volunteers, and we had to take down all the decorated boxes. They had a whole bunch of boxes. I bet you there's probably about 20, 25 boxes, big ones, and that they had wrapped up to look like presents for Christmas time. That's Callie rolling on the bed. She's so sassy sometimes. I know if I get up to show you her, she'll jump off the bed. Anyway, so go to get it, girl, get it. Unless she's wrestling with Sammy. They could be wrestling. If we hear two hop off the bed, we'll know. Let me see if I can do this. Ziggy, turn on bedroom lighting.
Alrighty then.
Get her. Get her, Sam. Get her, Sam. Did you hear her? See her look back? She said, mind your business. Mind your business. She said, you need to get on with your bad self. Anyway, so the kids... Sorry. Anyway, so kids' church was... I unwrapped boxes. Or I broke down boxes. I was the responsible adult, so I was the one. I was the one with the box cutter. Hello. They obviously don't remember. This is how it's looking nowadays. The little thing popped off. I put some of that, it's not glue, but it's that new skin that goes over a cut. I put some of that over today, but looking not too shabby. So that was kids' church. Adult church. Oh, yeah. So I go to the 10 o'clock service. So, yeah, if you ever want to watch it, you can watch it at 10, and you'll be watching it with me. This one was their new series called Rooted. It's Deeply Rooted. And who talked about a tree and how there's a certain tree and the roots go to almost 200 feet. And anyway, but yet it's able to provide shade and green leaves and fruit whenever other trees can't in that area. So that's what that was about. But next week they're going to tell us the plan for the church over the next 10 years. So I'm very interested in hearing what that's going to be about. And Baxter's sniffing that stuff I put on my finger. You can't lick it, but you can sniff it. Oh, you can't lick it, boy. So anyway, yeah. So that's church. I told y'all earlier, I had a little bit of a binge last night. I was just feeling angsty. And so I came in. I still ate my foods that are okay for me to eat. It was yogurt and cheese, but okay to put in my body, but not okay for a large quantity. That's what I'm working towards. Maybe not such a large quantity. So anyway, but I did okay. Mom's today, I did not touch anything. I remember I was in the bathroom like, I know I can't have nuts, but I bet I could have something else. And I was like, okay, wait. Is your stomach growling? No. Is it your mouth wanting something or your brain? My brain. I'm like, well, why don't you wait till you get home and just wait and eat supper? I said, okay. So I did. So I waited till I'm with you guys. And so I was able to do good. This is peppermint flavored keto chow. I take the powder and water and freeze it and blend it up with the ice cream, the Ninja Creamy. So that's what I'm having for supper. So that's what I know. I did really well today. Eating. I had, what did I eat? What did I eat? I probably had the equivalent of like, I think about 3 broccolis, about that size. About like that size, 3 broccolis, and I had about 2 bites of coleslaw. It is a sweet coleslaw, not a sour, so there's that. But just a couple bites, and then I had my big old pork steak. So I did good today. I'm very proud of myself, not eating anything at Mom's or anything. So I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. Like I said, I want to spend the next couple weeks just adapting and focusing on the food. Because I've told y'all that's how I would do it if I was to start over again. Just get used to the food. Don't worry about quantities. And once I'm back in the groove of eating those specific foods, then start tracking. So, except I can't start tracking because we're going to go on a road trip here in a couple weeks. So, I'll come back and get back on my basic foods. You know, my
my rock steady foods where I'm in a routine, and then we'll start tracking. So you're gonna have to wait about 4 weeks, probably maybe 5 weeks, but we'll get to it. So anyway, so this is part of my When Weight Comes Back series. Real maintenance, one day at a time. You gain weight in maintenance and you lose weight in maintenance. That's maintenance. 6, 7. You gain weight and you lose weight in maintenance. But yeah, I'll check in tomorrow.